Music opens with a play. It's 6 a.m., the sun's not up. My spirit's in a rut. The alarm screams out its rude demand. Right where my brain is shut, I hit the snooze button. Bless his soul, my fingers feel so grand. 5 more minutes of sweet, sweet dreams. A blanket wonderland. But wait, it's Pasko time. That means no rest, no quiet, no peace. It means I owe 100 gifts and my schedule won't release. The Christmas chaos is coming in hot. I need caffeine, I need it a lot. Mental coin toss up in the air. Heads for stress, tail for despair. Woo! I gotta rush, rush, rush. Gotta beat the traffic crush. I gotta shop, shop, shop before my body starts to drop. The gentle rest of frantic chaos. Choose the bed, yes, that's my bias. Pasko, Pasko, get up and dance. Say what? But all I wanna do is sleep in my pants. My phone is lighting up with calls demanding holiday cheer. Can you bake the cookies? Did you see Santa near? I want the peace, the sweet caress, the silence I could keep. But if I miss that meeting, I'll be crying while I sleep. The pressure builds, the tempo's fast. I put my slippers on. My fighting spirit's gone, gone, gone right up until the dawn. The Christmas chaos is coming in high. I need caffeine, I need it a lot. Mental coin toss up in the air. Heads for stress, tails for despair. I gotta rush, rush, rush. Gotta beat the traffic crush. I gotta shop, shop, shop before my body starts to drop. The gentle rest of frantic chaos. Choose the bed, yes, that's my bias. Pasko, Pasko, get up and dance. Say what? But all I wanna do is sleep in my pants. Sleepy gamble played out every day. I need a nap. I just wanna say. Alarm, alarm. Traffic, traffic, you better speed up. Gifts, gifts, you better wrap. Maybe next year. Merry Christmas.